This video will demonstrate how to align components from within the Allegro PCB Editor. In order to use the Align Component utility, you must be in the Placement Edit application mode. There are several ways to get into Placement Edit application mode. You can use Setup Application Mode command. There are icons up here, Placement Edit, or I can select down on the status bar, go into Placement Edit. All right, we want to make sure our fine filter, that symbols are turned on. I'm going to drag a window around all the components that I want to align. The key is to make sure you hover over the component that everything is to be aligned with. If I want to align everything with C1, I'm moving my mouse over some part of C1, then I will do a right mouse button, Align Components. So let's go check our options window again, because that's always important, and that will give us some indication as to what's going on. So it aligned it vertically, because what the system did is it says, okay, I'm going to take a look at these. If I align these vertically, everything will be okay. If I align them horizontally, I'll have problems. We'll turn on horizontals right now, and you can see how horizontally they all had DRCs. So it shows vertically for you, but you could certainly pick whichever one you want to. You can align them based upon the component you selected to the left side, and you can notice C23 moved a little bit, or to the right side, or to the body center. There also is an option in spacing, so you can have the parts equally spaced. Right now, just move them. You'll move them either in the X or Y and keep one of those the same, but you can equally space them by just selecting that. It will pick a number that makes them all equally spaced, but you can certainly increase the amount they're being spaced or decreased. And you can change this amount also if you wanted to. Just type a new number and increase the spacing or decrease the spacing. You can also align components that are rotated. All these components placed are rotated at a 33-degree angle. I'm going to select all these parts. Pick my reference parts again, move my mouse over the reference part, do a right mouse button, align components, and you can see it aligned all these parts at the same angle. This concludes the demonstration of how to align components from within the Allegro PCB Editor.